Hello everyone and welcome back to the Titus Ross YouTube channel. Today I'm giving you a little weather report. This is Winter Storm Skylar. And I have no idea why they started naming the winter storms. But this is the road conditions. It's like probably an inch on the roads, but we've gotten about, I don't know, maybe a foot already of snow. They've been doing a pretty good job, obviously. I'm on a back road here. I'm walking because I didn't think it would be that nice out, but it seems to be fine out here. I mean, obviously you'd need four-wheel drive, but it's not that bad. The wind is probably 28 knots, max 35 with the gusts. It's coming down pretty steady still. This is a legit blizzard, I'll give it that. We haven't had many this winter, but this is definitely one. So, I don't know. It's a really weird thing to me about this is the temperatures again. Normally when you get a snowstorm like this, the air temp is well below 32 degrees. But today it's like 34 degrees. And we're getting slammed with snow. Normally if it's over 32, which is the freezing point, then it's, you know, not snow, it's rain. But for whatever reason, it's coming down snow. I mean, this could be more proof of geoengineering, I guess. So, there you go, there's a plow right there. So, I mean, shows you, I mean, they're clearing the roads, obviously. I'm cold as fuck. Yeah. So, I mean, you probably would have a little difficulty with stuff like this, but be difficult for some cars to get through that intersection, I guess. There we go, we got a brave warrior out on the road. There's one car, non-snowplow. There's another, a truck. Yeah, spinning out. Nice. This is the blizzard of 2018 from Massachusetts, basically. So let's see what the main road looks like. Well, pretty much as bad as the side roads, which means they're losing the battle. There you go, that's the main road right there. So, huh. Yeah, so there you go. Whew. My hand's cold. Should have wore gloves. Should have definitely worn gloves out here. There you go, that's the road conditions, and obviously we don't have power because the morons, see these things right here above ground everywhere? Look. That tree's probably, I mean, can you imagine trying to keep these power lines going with these types of storms going on all the time? I mean, just look right here. You got a tree branch right on that wire right there. Right? So, you know, there's one fix they gotta start with. It's just, I don't know why, I guess in downtown Falmouth they buried the power lines to quote-unquote beautify the city, and who paid for it? Who do you think had to pay for it? Eversource? The government? No. All the business owners. all the business owners were taxed an additional tax to bury the power lines because it would bring more business to them to beautify the city. That's how our government operates. If you actually need anything, you gotta pony up more money to get them to do anything. Whew, it's cold. Wind just picked up a little bit. Woo-wee. Heading back to the confines of inside. It sucks out here. Oh. Well, that's it. This is New England. This has been Weatherman Dean Fougere signing off. Back in studio to you. Peace, everybody.